Welcome to Akureyri, the charming capital of North Iceland. Here's your guide to the must-see spots in this cozy northern gem. If you're cruising and this town is one of your stops, make sure to check these places. Akureyri Botanical Garden. Step into a floral wonderland just below the Arctic Circle, home to over 7,000 plant species. Heart-shaped traffic light. Only in Akureyri will a red light warm your heart. Literally, love in every stoplight. Downtown Akureyri. Cafes, shops, and murals make this tiny city center full of life and color. Snap a photo with the stunning street art inspired by Icelandic fairy tales. Turn-in kebab. Locals love it. Grab a quick tasty bite with mountain views. Akureyri Church. This iconic church watches over the town from above. Visit the home of Iceland's beloved children's author, Noni. Wander past colorful 19th century houses in the heart of the town's oldest area. Samkomubro Observation Deck. Enjoy sweeping views of the fjord and town from this scenic footbridge. One of Iceland's oldest theaters, still buzzing with live performances and local pride. Hiking the Akureyri Cemetery. A peaceful stroll through a forested cemetery filled with history and soul. This beautiful modern church adds spiritual calm with a Nordic twist. Akureyri Zipline. Soar through a canyon on an adrenaline-pumping ride just minutes from downtown. And lastly, follow the gentle river through lava rocks and lush greenery, a perfect urban scape. Akureyri may be small, but it's packed with beauty, culture, and heart. Make sure to add it to your Iceland adventure list. Thanks for watching.